why don't we start with something basic like the Tautline hitch. Both of us are using a split tail system. So I've got a tail piece here in my hand, and let's take a look at the Tautline hitch and the dynamics of it. We're going to start by making a turn below the bridge. We identify the part of the rope, or the tail piece, between the connecting link and the turns on the climbing line as the bridge. I start by forming 2 turns below the bridge and then continuing around the standing part of the climbing line in the same direction, 2 turns above the bridge. And I've formed the classic Tautline hitch. There are variations of the Tautline hitch, but again, we're looking at the classic. Now, as we look, we notice that the bridge enters the Tautline hitch on one side and the tail exits on the other side. If we look at the bar of the Tautline hitch, it's really diagonal across the turns. Now, I'll definitely want to use a stopper knot here, and I'll choose to use a figure-8. If I take the tail here after it's exited the Tautline hitch and I form a loop, and then I twist it 180 degrees and pass the end of my tail down through the loop, I can form a figure-8, in this case stopper knot, and you can see why it would be called a figure-8. Okay? It's very important with the Tautline hitch, especially in synthetic rope, that we have a stopper knot, because the Tautline hitch has a tendency to roll, and in fact it can roll right to the stopper knot. That would stop it. Without a stopper knot, it could roll off the end. So very, very important that we use a stopper knot.